When people hear print on demand, the first thing they think of is t-shirts, mugs, stickers. Well, I'm about to share with you 4 very unique print on demand business ideas that I bet you have never thought of before. The first one I'm gonna show you, I've actually done a quicker video on it quite a while ago, but since then the demand for this has actually risen even more, and most people that I talk to that do print on demand have never thought about this being a possible print-on-demand product. And that is pet napkins. Napkins in which someone can get a picture of their pet printed on a pack of napkins. If you just look up pet napkin on Etsy, we can see tons with the popular now and the bestseller tags, many actually with the popular now tag. And with the new Everbee extension, I can actually add a filter here and I can just take a look at listings that are bestsellers and popular nows. And we can see a bunch of options, which is a massive sign that these are selling for many different sellers. In fact, if I open up my Everbee extension, which by the way, you can get in the description below, I do have a discount code for that in there. But if we take a look at the product analytics here, we can see the top one here is making it $23,000 a month selling these. And another good sign that I like to look for when I'm doing product research is to make sure that there's not just one listing doing really well, but many different people are selling different variations of this, and many of them are getting amazing amount of monthly sales. And Printify.com, which is my print-on-demand supplier, has these. The ones I would sell are the white coined napkins, but they actually do have a few different options for napkins as well. And scrolling down here, if we take a look at the provider info, we can see they offer 2 different sizes for this one, and they come in different quantities of 100 pieces and 50 pieces. And when you're just selling 50 pieces, the margins aren't that great. You can see here that they're about $18 USD for the 50 piece and $28 USD for the 100 piece. And if you do the bigger sizes, they do go up in size. But where the massive profit comes on these is people typically aren't buying these in packs of 50 or 100. They're buying packs of 200, 300 because they're usually buying these for weddings in which people need more than one napkin. They're getting these with drinks, they're getting these with food. So typically these are massive quantity orders, so people are ordering in multiples of 100s, and that is where you get the massive margin on these. And if you want a full video tutorial on these pet napkins along with the profit breakdown, I will link that video up next for you guys to watch. The next print-on-demand idea I have for you that I bet you have never thought of is table runners. So table runners or banners, very similar. They're kind of called the same thing interchangeably, typically look like this. And right now I am seeing these applied to a bunch of different niches, which again is one of my signals that this is a good product to sell because you can try it with different designs in different niches. There isn't just one product or use case for these. But same thing as before, the minute I look up table runner, I'm seeing tons of bestseller, I'm seeing tons of popular now badges, and opening up my Everbee statistics here, taking a look at these, we have some of these selling 300 times a month, 200 times a month, some of them making $22,000 a month selling these custom table runners. And these are actually doing super well for a niche that I think is very unserved in the print-on-demand market, and that is farmers markets or booths. So if we take a look at this one, this top one here is a vendor booth one, where if people are selling their crochet items, maybe they're selling their farm goods, they have a custom table runner or banner with their logo on it for their display. We have this one here, very similar, but it is specifically for a bakery booth. So you can actually do multiple within this booth niche, whether it's a farmer's market, an artisan market, a book market, whatever type of market, you can create different designs to serve those people. And it's not just farmers markets that are doing really well, but I've seen a few doing really well for weddings, for examples, for baby showers. I've seen people searching for Thanksgiving table runners. So again, you can apply this design and this product to a bunch of different niches out there so that you can sell year round. So if these are something you want to sell, you can get the product right from Printify.com, and you can access Printify from a link in my description below. I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to get started started selling on Printify. But we have the table runner right here, which is probably the one that I would use. It's a bestseller, meaning that a lot of people have ordered this before. It's probably going to be very good quality. MWW On Demand also has very good ratings. But if you wanted to offer something different, there's an early access table runner, which is a quilted table runner if you want to offer something a little bit more different than what's being offered on the market currently and maybe gives off a higher perceived value. But I would get a sample of this one if you're planning to sell it, but I would most likely trust this table runner. It's got two different options of different fabric for this. And again, because it's a bestseller, it means that it's probably pretty good quality. The next one I have for you is a very niche product, and that is golf towels, not regular towels, but specifically golf towels. And if you look up golf towel on Etsy, again, what we see like the other ones, that is an awesome sign, is we are seeing so many listings with the Popular Now badge. And they're all slightly different as well. We've got this Best Dad by Par, and it's actually got this stripes design, which I've talked about in my last video from last week on current trends, which you haven't checked out. I would highly recommend going to check that one out. But we have ones with pets on them. So maybe what does well on, say, a pet napkin can also go really well on a golf towel. We have different ones with just a name on it. We have some with faces on it. Tons of different ways and designs that you can take this. So if you're in the golfing niche or maybe in the dad niche, this could be an awesome product to add to your store because people are making hundreds of sales a month with this product here. I could see it doing really well for Father's Day, which is coming up, but we're also still in the golfing season. So targeting perhaps maybe different birthdays, different types of gifts, maybe a 4th of July one that is coming out. And I could see these still doing really well in Christmas because people who love golf, and they're going to be getting a lot of golf themed products. And Printify actually has a bunch of different towel options that you can sell. So if maybe you don't want it to be a golf towel, you can just get any of their regular towels, but they actually have a very specific golf towel if you wanted it to be very, very specific to this niche right here. And this one right here is very cheap, starting at $7 with Printify Premium. Or again, if you wanted to offer an option where perhaps it's just a towel or it's an upsell to a bigger towel, there are, again, so many different options that you can pick in here. And the final one I have for you is graduation or next chapter notebooks. There are a lot of notebooks out there, but the one that I've seen doing really, really well, and the one that seems to be getting a lot of the Popular Now or bestsellers, are the ones themed around next chapter. So that could be right now mostly graduation gifts like this one, the graduate, the next chapter, but I've also seen some really good ones for perhaps after a certain birthday or just any type of life event. Maybe you could have after someone gave birth. There are tons of different landmark events or milestone events out there that would mark this next chapter. And these ones are doing massive numbers on Etsy. The top one here is selling 500 times a month, making close to $20,000 a month. And we have so many different ones down here making so many monthly sales, bringing them tons of revenue with just one listing. And you could take these vague, like again, just a next chapter, which is doing really well. But some other things that are doing really well in here to stick out are very niche down ones. Like this one, it's a new chapter or a new lawyer personalized journal. So this one's just for lawyers. So it's really going to stick out when someone looks for lawyer notebook. We have one up here that I saw, which is, so I never forget why I became a social worker. And you can apply this same design to tons of different sub niches. So you can have some reaching the general next chapter, graduation, or start getting really specific with what the next chapter is, why they're getting a next chapter book, what job or career or moment is being celebrated with this book. And coming back to Printify, I can see a lot of the ones that I saw selling on Etsy are from Printify.com. You can get the ones that are spiral notebooks, but the ones that I've seen doing really well because I think they look really nice is this journal, and you can get it with a blank inside, or if you want it to be lined. And I typically, the ones that I saw, it was the lined ones doing really well. But again, there's tons of different options in here if you do want to stick out a little bit more and maybe not offer what everybody else is offering. And if you want help selling on Etsy or just optimizing your Etsy, I have created a V2 of my Etsy checklist, in which you can download in the description or from my channel, which has every single point and tip that I have for running a successful Etsy store, and which I use to audit other people so that you can do a self-audit or just help yourself get started on Etsy correctly. So you guys can get that in the description below if you're interested. If there's any of these four that you would like a further breakdown, just let me know which one in the comment below. And if you were interested in the pet napkins, don't forget, I'm gonna link that video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if this helped at all, please drop a like and subscribe. It would help my channel so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.